First, add your flower layers to the main document. Now hide all of them and duplicate the background layer. From select menu, choose subject and add to or subtract from your selection to have the subject selected. You can hold Shift key to add to or Alt key to subtract from your selection. Now right-click on the subject and choose Layer via Cut. Select Copied Background Layer and from Filter menu, Blur, choose Gaussian Blur. Increase or decrease the value to have what you like to. Now choose Elliptical Marquee tool and select the part of face that you want to. You can right-click on your selection and choose Transform Selection to resize and rotate it. Then subtract extra parts and right-click on it, then choose Save Selection. Now right-click on it and choose Layer via Cut. Now move the face to the place you like to and from Select menu, Modify and select Border. Then subtract extra parts. Now right-click on it and choose Layer via Copy. Then in Layers panel, click on New Fill or Adjustment Layer and choose Brightness and Contrast. Click on the icon with a rectangle and an arrow on it, then make the layer darker. Now tap Ctrl E to merge the layer. Right-click on the image and load the selection. From Select menu, Modify, choose Expand and confirm it. Subtract extra parts and do whatever you did before, but this time make it brighter. By tapping Ctrl E, you can merge layers down. Divide the body layer into 2 layers so her hair would be under the flowers and become hidden later. From now on, all I do depend on the flowers and number of them. So you can follow the instructions and do the same by the layers that you want to add to your image. And that's all. Now don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video if you liked it. Thanks for watching.